200 years ago, trees were hand-cut from the original American forests. Magnificent, towering trees destined to become the framework of the great warehouses, factories, barns, and homes of the industrial age. Today, these 150-year-old buildings are scheduled for demolition daily, filled with antique raw materials just waiting to make their appearance in our sawmills.
At Albany Woodworks, we invented a unique reclaiming process to preserve every grain, detail, and original saw mark, turning heirloom architectural materials into products for modern use. We use old wood craftsmanship and modern tools to bring you the best of both worlds, affordability and real wood products. The value of working with reclaimed lumber is its amazing stability, durability, and beauty. This is rare in new wood. And our time-tested process unlocks a vivid history and quality of wood that is second to none.
Let me bring you through a quick tour of your lumber's reclaiming process. First, these aged buildings are carefully dismantled and then transported to our 15,000 square foot warehouse. Here, the magic begins. We go through each wood delivery and hand select the perfect timbers for products that you might need for your new house, business, or commercial project. We remove any metal from the raw lumber, averaging 45 tons of antique nails and other metals per year. From there, we then grade and cut the material into dimensional lumber and place it in storage where it awaits your unique order. Once we receive your order for beautiful beams, antique flooring, or any other of our high-quality products, we bring the graded material to our mill. This is when the lumber's true beauty starts to appear. Your wood may pass through any one of our specialized machinery. For example, our revitalized 1910 bandsaw, nicknamed Big Bertha, is used to cut lumber from raw beams for all of our flooring. Time is of the essence, so to maximize production, we've developed some in-house time savers. Our customized conveyor system brings the cut timbers back to the saw without handling, allowing us to complete your order quicker. We also sharpen our saw blades in-house in order to maintain accurate production and keep your costs down. Our resaw cuts down our larger beams to the appropriately sized lumber for the further milling of your project. Our laminate cutting saw allows us to make high-quality engineered flooring and paneling from our reclaimed lumber. Then there's our horizontal bandsaw, which manufactures items such as beautiful and easy-to-install exposed beams up to 30 feet long. Once the first cuts are complete, the dimensional material goes through the straight line ripsaw, where it is cut to create perfectly straight and parallel edges. The finished product is brought to the molding or milling machines, where it is refined to the specs of your order. To guarantee a good fit between boards and a quality final product, our chop saw is used to square the ends and cut out any defect that has occurred during manufacturing. This provides 100% usable materials and makes for easy installation. Since 1976, our tried and true shipping process ensures your product to arrive safe and sound. Your completed order, whether it's moldings, flooring, handrail, or paneling, is then professionally packaged for guaranteed shipment to your location.
Our craftsmanship, service, and attention to detail puts us a cut above the rest. To say we are passionate about what we do is an understatement. Whether you order online or visit our showroom, we will give you the hands-on customer service that our clients have come to expect. We are fortunate to be one of the pioneers in reclaiming this wonderful resource. And when you purchase products from Albany Woodworks, you're bringing new life to these historic timbers and a lifetime of enjoyment to your home. We're looking forward to your visit.